I remember when we first hung out, I felt like we had known each other so well already. I truly believe it was a sign that we were meant to be for each other. I love who you are as a person. You're caring, you're kind, and you're always putting others before yourself. I love how you make me feel at ease when I'm around you. That feeling of home. I will put in the effort every day to make this love last forever. I know there will be challenges along the way, but you will never face them alone. I'll always be here to face them with you. No matter what each day brings, I know everything will work out because I get to come home to you. As your husband, I promise to always be there for you through the good and the bad. I promise you'll never have to worry about losing me. You're stuck with me forever. And I promise to always be the man you fell in love with. I love you, Kristyn Lee, more than you'll ever know.
When Kristyn told me about Brian, I could tell something was different. You could see it in her face. That kind of joy that only comes when someone truly loves you for who you are.
Watching the two of you together, it is clear that something truly special has happened, and your relationship did not happen by accident. You balance each other out in the best way, and you make each other better. You make all of us believe in happily ever after, just with a little bit more sarcasm and a little more horsepower.
Tom, after getting to know Brian and Kristyn and just learning about the relationship and seeing the love that they have for each other, I'd say you've done more than a pretty good job. You and Kathy raised a remarkable woman, and you found a remarkable man to stand with her. So now, with pride and trust, Tom, who gives this woman to be married to this man?
Her mother and I.
Very well.
Oh, I fell in an instant. Took but moments to see that she was all I need.
Kristyn, you're my person. I told you that a long time ago, and it still stands true today. It always will. I knew deep down early on that you would be my wife someday, and here we are.
Brian, when we first hung out, I was beyond nervous, but I instantly knew something was different. It was a feeling I've never experienced before. Within a few minutes of being with you, my nerves vanished. I was so calm and felt like I've known you my whole life.
You two are perfect. You're a perfect example of what it looks like when love and friendship come together. When two people truly find their person.
Brian told me about this girl that he was really into, and this wasn't, a type of, oh, she's cool, we'll see how it goes. It was real, and I knew that from the way that he talked about you, Kristyn. He was in love and wanting a future, and here we are.
We all know why we're here, right? Two good people met, they fell in love. We're proud of them. We love you guys.
Brian, you are everything I always knew I wanted, but figured I would never have or find. You have opened up parts of my heart that I didn't know needed to be opened. You're kind, caring, hardworking, and pretty funny. I couldn't possibly love you more than I do now, yet at the same time, I know I'll love you even more tomorrow. I look forward to all the experiences, adventures, and memories we will make, especially our slow Sundays laying on the couch together with our boys for numerous years to come. I am beyond lucky and honored that not only do I get to experience this life the same time as you, but I get to share it with you. I vow to do everything I can to be the best I can be for you.
Marriage isn't just an act of love and commitment. It's a living picture. It's a chance to give and receive a reckless, unwavering, and sometimes undeserved love, just like the way God loves us. Brian, when I asked Kristyn what drew her to you, she had a lot to say. I actually felt like I was reading a bit of a love novel. She talked about how you accept all of her, every quirk, every odd habit. But she also told me you had a few of your own. Kristyn, when I asked Brian what draws him to you, he answered like a guy, straight, no fluff, but deep meaning. He said you're selfless, always putting each other's first. You genuinely care about people, deeply. Believe it or not, he thinks you're funny too.
Thank God.
Even when you decide to speak in a British accent for absolutely no reason.
Yes.
Brian and Kristyn, having witnessed your vows before God and these loved ones, and by the authority invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my joy to introduce for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Brian and Kristyn Myers.
I vow to do everything I can to be the best I can be for you, to be your biggest support system during the worst moments of your life, and to cheer the loudest for you during the best. I vow to do all the things and then some until the last bit of air escapes my lungs, and then I will wait and look for you until I am reunited with you in the next phase of our journey. I love you.
I love you.